Guys, in this SolidWorks tutorial, I'm going to go over the fillet feature. So we want to add a fillet on some edges of our part here, as you can see highlighted in yellow. This is a cosmetic tool of smoothing out the material around a sharp edge. So you can see here, when we click an edge in our part, that is where we're going to apply the fillet. We can select one-to-many edges. Right now we have a symmetric parameter on, meaning just a symmetric radius. Here we can change the size of the radius. We can make it larger, smaller, depending on the application. And we can even change the profile. So we can set it to conic, see what that looks like. You want to make sure the size is within the dimensions and specs of your part. So let's go back, set this to circular. If we set this to asymmetric, we can then make the radii, depending on which direction, smaller and larger. So we can give it more of an asymmetric look. And of course, it's going to wipe out the rest of my features. Go back, edit. Change this to circular. .04 seems like it's within the range of our part. We'll select OK. And that is just a brief overview of the fillet tool. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.